Hello, welcome back to Cesim step-by-step guide for round 1 in the MBA simulation game, the free winning guides and tips video. You can check the other video for the overview of top 10 winning tips for Cesim. So this is details step-by-step guide for round 1. We check the unit sold plus unit is very important to calculate the sales forecast, and check the financial statement to see the R&D, promotion and sales and profit of each competitors, and then we can figure out the plan. Check the market report to find the unit result and the price for each levels, right, of sales. Check the market outlook to find out and have the plan for the growth rate for the next coming round, so we can invest in production capacity, invest in R&D. Check the demand for each region to calculate the sales forecast. Check the network coverage forecast is very important to calculate the demand and invest in new technologies. We also set the decision for production and investment. Remember, for the long term we need to invest in capacity, but do not invest too fast. We need to check the competition activity and strategy. Also, R&D is always the key to win, to have the long-term plan. In round 1 and round 2, we focus on take 1 and take 2 in later round, so we can change. For marketing decision, we check the cost and profit, and also spend time with logistics and decision and tax and finance. If you need have any question, you can send an email to Cesim Health 2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.